Hello, my friends. Perhaps this particular feature will generally help you to completely avoid any annoyance. So this very useful method works effectively on both WhatsApp Business and the regular WhatsApp application. We will open the app as we usually do, then we will simply tap on these three small dots. After that, we tap on Settings. If your mobile phone is an Apple iPhone device, you will typically find an easily recognizable icon in this specific spot with the word Evil Settings clearly written underneath it. Simply tap on it to proceed. Since my phone is an Android device, I'll firstly tap right here. Next, you will then tap on Privacy from this specific location, and it's important to carefully remember the icons and the precise locations you'll need to navigate to, always keeping this in mind, especially if your phone's operating system is set in another language. Afterwards, scroll down just a little bit and look for the option with the exact label shown, and finally proceed to tap on it. So my friends, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by hitting the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. I'd really appreciate it. Then simply and easily enable this particular option. And from this moment forward, you can confidently say goodbye to any and all annoyance forever. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains some very helpful WhatsApp tutorials. You'll definitely find important and beneficial guides there that you will surely like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.